Welcome to Rod's Garage. Today we'll be discussing the scenario of a customer calling you and saying that their Wi-Fi password was changed and their cameras are now offline and they would like to have you come out and fix that for them. So today we'll be discussing how to do that through the AP mode. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as the camera. So your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the camera. Make sure that you have the customer's Wi-Fi credentials. I would recommend doing a speed test at the camera just to make sure that you have enough bandwidth. If you have any issues while you're updating the Wi-Fi password, a power cycle on the camera and sometimes even on the router may be necessary. Please be patient while you're doing this. It can take as much as 5 minutes for the changes to take effect at the camera and for the camera to go online. Today we'll be working with the ADC V523 camera. You can see that the LED is red, indicating that the camera has lost connection to the Wi-Fi. The first thing that we'll need to do is put the camera into AP mode. So you can see here on the app, the 523, let me refresh so you can see what the customer would see. So the first thing we need to do is go to the 523, we flip the camera upside down, and on the bottom of the camera, you'll see where the reset and the WPS button is. That's this location right here on the far right. So we'll flip that over, and we're gonna hold this button until the LED on the bottom of the camera turns white. It should go from red to blue to white. Okay, the camera is now in AP mode. We're gonna go back to our phone and we're gonna go to the Wi-Fi settings. Now, in AP mode, the camera is broadcasting its own Wi-Fi. It's called access point. You can see here on this list that the ADC V523 is the camera that we're going to connect to. So it is currently broadcasting that Wi-Fi and we want to connect to it. So we'll select that Wi-Fi. Next, we'll go to our internet browser, attach to the software in the camera. This can be done by going to the IP address 192.168.1.1. The customer would have told you which Wi-Fi they're connected to, so we're going to scan for that Wi-Fi. So we hit the scan button and wait. Okay, then we look down below, and the Wi-Fi that we're going to connect to is the Netgear 18-5G. We'll select that. Go back up and enter the password. Once you've entered the password, you're going to hit submit. So now if we watch the camera, I'm going to go back to the customer's app and we'll wait for the camera to connect. So the camera was flashing red, now it's flashing green. Once that LED turns solid green, then we can go to the app and check for the video from the camera. So you can see now that the green LED is on. And if we go back to our app and hit the refresh button, there's the camera view. So you can see how easy this was. If you have any questions about how to do this, you can watch this video again. You can also go to the knowledge base and look up this information. Thanks for being with us.